You know, just for the sake of me finishing this game, I'm gonna do easy. Please don't call me a, alright? I'm gonna just do it easy. That way I won't cry. Alright, I forgot how this starts because I think I played it like maybe like 1 hour about like 8 years ago. That's about it. Guys, the fuck?
Isaac, it's me. I wish I could talk to you.
Oh damn, down bad.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about
Oh, that's her
everything.
lips. Oh no, that's an eye. That's an eye. That's my bad.
Someone. It's all falling apart here. I can't believe what's happening.
I'm gonna have nightmares
Strange.
tonight.
Such a little thing.
How many times you watched that thing?
3 times
Guess you really miss her.
every day.
Don't worry, we're almost there. You'll be able to look her up once we're on board.
Hell yeah.
Sounds like you do have a lot of catching up to do.
Yep, I'm gonna lay some pipe.
Alright, everyone, we're here. Sinking our orbit now.
All this
Fancy.
trouble over that chunk of rock.
Deep space mining is a lucrative business, Miss Daniels. Aegis 7 is a gold mine according to prospectors' reports. Cobalt,
actual gold
silicon,
mine? Okay.
osmium. Now, where is she?
She's
she
right there,
is.
bitch.
We have visual contact.
You need glasses.
So that's Ishimura. Impressive.
What was
The
that, Mr. Rock?
USG Ishimura. Biggest planet cracker in her class. And it looks like they already popped the cork.
So it's a big nutcracker. That's all you're telling me.
Why is it all dark? I don't see any running lights.
Corporal, take us in closer and hail them. And stay clear of that debris field. We're here to fix their ship, not the other way around.
USG Ishimura, this is the emergency maintenance team of the USG Kellion responding to your distress call.
Oh, they're all
Come in,
dead.
Ishimura.
They dead as hell. They're deader than
You're gonna
dead.
need
They're
to boost
7
the
feet
signal if the
under.
power's low.
Yes, we know.
They're in space.
Boost the signal. More.
Never heard of a total communications blackout on one of these things. You'd think with 1,000 people on board, someone would pick up the phone.
That's because they're all dead.
What is that?
All right, Riley.
It's a busted array like we thought. Sounds like they're having problems with their encoder. You get us down there and Isaac and I can fix it. 48 hours max.
All right, you heard the lady. Take us in. Let's see what needs fixing.
Gravity tethers engaged. Automatic docking procedures a go.
That doesn't sound good.
What the hell?
Sir, the auto dock.
What is it?
We're off track. We're gonna hit the hull.
Hit the blast shields. That guidance tether's damaged. Switch to manual, now.
Inside the magnetic field? Are you insane? Abort!
No! We can make it inside. Corporal, gave you
Hit the deck, bitch.
Field's too strong.
I should not be playing this in a dark room. I should not be playing this in a dark room.
Is everyone okay?
Nope.
What the hell were you thinking? Were you trying to get us killed?
I just saved our asses, Miss Daniels. If we had aborted at that speed and distance, we'd have smashed right into the side of the Ishimura. Now settle down. Let's get to work. Corporal, report.
I'm not getting any readings from the port booster, and we've lost comms and
Ooh,
autopilot.
helmet.
It'll take some time to fix.
All right. Let's get some extra hands from flight deck to help out.
Alright, what we doing? What's up? Wanna square up? What's up? What's good, huh?
Hold still, Isaac.
What's good,
I'm
Lamo?
syncing up everyone's rig with the ship. Okay, we're done. Clean bill of health for everyone.
All right. We've still got a job to do. We're moving out.
Do we have to do it? Can we just get an intern? Man, I hate being the intern. Y'all gonna die anyways. I just wanna go home.
You didn't lose power to the port booster. You lost
Oh,
the
they're
port
still
booster.
alive.
The Ishimura
Unbelievable.
was the first Planet Cracker class vessel.
I thought you all
and
be
is now
dead.
the oldest survey, with 62. Whether you be
Guess the power's down everywhere. Isaac, get over here and hack the door pad.
force on the colony, the captain
How do I do that? How do I... What? How do I hack it? I wasn't even... The door was open. You stupid. Oh, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. There is a sickness in Uganda. You see 7 men
Seems
dressed
like
up in
everyone was
suits.
trying to pack
Oh,
in a
what?
hurry.
There should be a security detail in here.
Yeah? Well, there's not. There's nobody here. I can't pick up any broadcasts.
Oh, those were the 2 flying the ship. My bad.
But that security console's still live.
Can I save the game?
Isaac, log in and see what you can find. Kendra, get that elevator back online.
Power's dead. I can't.
Then reroute the damn power! Look, if we all cooperate, we can figure this out a lot sooner. Let's get that computer display up, Isaac.
This is the computer, right? Alright, that way. This hacking that you speak of is just... There's no hack. Okay, this looks shady. I do not feel safe.
Huh. That doesn't look good.
You don't
Taking a
say,
lot of
Sherlock.
damage.
The tram system's offline. Getting around's gonna be difficult. The air seems to be flowing again. That's a start.
What the hell was that?
Automatic quarantine must have tripped when the filtration
Oh,
system
they're gonna
restarted.
die, aren't they? They're so
Everybody
dead.
relax.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Not sure.
What the hell?
Oh,
I don't
yep.
know. Something's in the room with us.
Right behind you, fool.
Come on. Come on. Got it!
Isaac, get the hell out of there!
The door's unlocked! Run!
How do I run? How do I run? I forgot how to run. I forgot how to run. I'm running. I'm running.
Isaac, get the hell out of there!
What do you think I'm trying to do, woman? Press the button. Press the button. Oh, good thing these aren't like regular elevators that take forever to close. Oh shit! Hit it! Hit his ass! Hit his ass! Give him the all 1-2! Give him the 1-2! I need my mommy. What is that? What is that? Can't do anything. That dude is definitely not dead. Okay. It's not gonna tell me exactly what to do, but I think I gotta go over there.
Shoot the lips off enemies for extra damage.
Out of aim, out of fire. What? Wait, what? Oh, I don't have anything to reload. Give me a second, alright? Gosh. I haven't had my coffee yet.
Use physics to knock back an enemy for a quicker.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Are you dead? Are you dead? I think you're dead. Wait, hold up. Just give it one more. Okay, there we go. I have to go to the left, check the right. Alright, looks clear. Wait, how does it... Can I just switch it? Okay, this is switch. How are they aiming for like a shotgun? Oh, please. Get the regular music on. The door. The door. Okay, we got a door. We got a door. Now, which way I gotta go? Alright, let me check the left. Keep an eye on the left. Keep an eye on the left. Ooh, is that a secret? Oh shit! I should have kept my mouth shut.
Select and use health packs to replenish your health bar.
Okay, that's the health bar. Okay. What's that over there though? Okay.
This is Benson. Everybody listen up. They're using the vents. That's how they're getting around the ship. Stay away from down. Get back. Get back.
Is that a vent? That better not be a vent. Oh yeah, reload is weird. Oh, there is someone in here. There is someone in here. And they don't like to play nice. Alright, check my left, check my left, check my left. Not gonna lie, that scared the fuck out of me.
Isaac! Isaac! God,
Yes?
I can't believe you made it.
Isaac, we ran into more of them on the way over here.
You're
Are
still
you okay?
fucking alive?
More what? What the hell are those things? Is that the crew?
Keep your voice down. Whatever they are, they're not friendly, and half the doors on this ship are locked because of the quarantine. Now, we have to get to the bridge. But first, we gotta repair the tram system.
Should it be called for
You're
help?
crazy, Hammond. You're gonna get us all killed.
If you listen to me, I will get you out of here alive. Now, what's wrong with the tram?
He's gonna die first. I've seen horror stories.
But there should be a spare in the maintenance bay. There's also a broken tram blocking the tunnel that needs to be repaired. Damn it! Everything is on the other side of this quarantine.
Can we just call like
reach it from
Ghostbusters or
here.
something?
No, we can't. But you can.
Why is it always me?
If I can get to the bridge, I should be able to access the personnel files.
You're gonna die
You
way
fix the
before
tram,
that.
and I'll help you find Nicole.
Man, I am a booty licking boy.
To check objective.